Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. To log into your Slack Workspace, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in slack.com and press enter. On the Slack homepage, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your workspace URL. If you do not know your workspace URL, you can click on the Find Your Workspace link provided. Once you've entered your workspace URL, click Continue. Next, enter your email address associated with your Slack account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Slack will send you an email with a login link. Check your inbox for the email from Slack. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the sign in link. You may be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and then click Sign in again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your device. After successfully entering the code, you will be logged into your Slack workspace. You can now start using Slack to communicate with your team. Familiarize yourself with the interface to make the most out of your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.